Good afternoon, students. How are you? I think that you are fine. Today, we start our fourth chapter planning. So, students, what do you mean by planning? Planning means that think before anything worth doing. प्लानिंग एक प्रकार से वो है कि किसी भी कार्य को करने से पहले कुछ सोचना. That is predetermining concept. And planning is deciding in advance what to do and how to do. Means that कि हम कोई भी एक कंपनी का मैनेजर है, किसी भी कंपनी के लिए में जो वो कार्य करता है, सो क्या देखता है कि कुछ भी कार्य करने से पहले और कैसे कार्य करना है उसके बारे में पहले से प्लान तैयार करना. इट इज वन द बेसिक मैनेजरियल फंक्शन. प्लानिंग एक प्रकार से मैनेजमेंट का प्राइमरी फंक्शन है, मेन फंक्शन है. विदाउट प्लानिंग a manager can't think about successful any type of the business activities. So planning therefore involves setting objective and developing an appropriate course of action to achieve these objective. प्लानिंग एक प्रकार से किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर ऑब्जेक्टिव और डेवलपिंग को सेट करना है और उसके माध्यम से अपने एक्टिविटीज को रनिंग करते हुए अपने ऑब्जेक्टिव को सक्सेसफुली अचीव करना है. सो नेक्स्ट वन इज आवर टॉपिक ऑफ प्लानिंग इज इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ प्लानिंग. सो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ प्लानिंग डियर स्टूडेंट्स? Importance of planning means that how is important to any type of the company for a manager. मैनेजर के लिए प्लानिंग बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है. सो नाउ वी डिस्कस द डिफरेंट types of the importance of the planning. Is first is one direction. Planning gives a stable direction to any type of the business manager for a company. Reduce risk of uncertainty, and planning is also reducing risk of uncertainty. Without planning, a manager facing a lot of problem and a lot of uncertainty. So with the planning, a manager reduces risk of uncertainty. Reduce overlapping and wastage activities. A manager of a company, with the planning, there are a lot of activities is overlapping and wastage activities is reduced. Promotes innovative ideas. A company manager involved promotes innovative ideas because every type of the innovative ideas a lot of function doing by manager. Facilitates decision making. Company manager always deciding decision making with the planning, because with planning a manager take a good decision. Establish standard for controlling. With the planning, a company manager set their standard of for controlling for the business. And next one is our topic is future of planning. So we focus on the achieving objective. A company manager main target to achieve his objective in each and every condition. So it is a main primary function of the management. So different kinds of the planning features are given below. Planning is pervasive. For a company manager of any type of the business, it is a planning is a pervasive because it is apply every type of the organization, which can be government and non-government organization. Planning is continuously, and another type of the feature of the planning is continuously, because a business activities is not doing by on a single way. It is a processing activities. Planning is a predetermination, and because planning determine in the futuristic and involves decision making. Planning is decision making involves because it is a only mental exercise. So every type of the business manager, they want to do a good activities for a business. So another one is a limitation of planning. Planning leads to rigidity. Rigidity means that a manager or